Welcome to the demo of how Jira and Confluence can help manage certifications like ISO 27001 or the NIST 800-171 and of course others. Today I'll show how to centralize controls, automate evidence collection, and streamline audit task tracking while ensuring every detail is captured accurately. We'll start by creating tickets for controls, evidence requests, and audit tasks, ensuring all configured fields are properly populated. Then we'll explore automations and integrations with Confluence. So right now I'm in the certification management project. You can see I don't have any issues currently. So the idea of this is this project centralizes all compliance-related activities, starting with controls that align with your organization's certifications. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a control. So we're going to make sure a project is correct. Issue type is control. And all right. And I'm going to select the ISO 27001 and the ISO 27701. And I'm going to set Max Taylor as the control owner. Go ahead and create. So now you'll see we've got a ticket out here, and we're going to add a status note. Save that. You also notice within this, there are already two subtasks that were automatically created based on the related certifications. This is an automation that we implemented. So no matter which certification you select, it'll automatically create this on the creation of the ticket. The summary is clear. This explains the purpose. Control owner is the person that's in charge. They ensure the accountability of this. And the related certifications ties the control to multiple compliance requirements, automatically creating the tickets as subtasks. The status is not started. We can also utilize this as the compliance status. So we could say compliance status is in progress, not started. And then the comments provide additional details. So really this ticket captures all the necessary details to track compliance progress while linking responsibilities and the certifications. So we're going to create a second control ticket. And this one is and we're going to select the ISO 27001 and the NIST 800-171. I'm going to again select the product control owner and set that to create. And we're actually going to put this in progress right away. And then we're also going to add a comment on it. Save that. And if we open this up again, description, summary, the related certifications, the control owner. Currently we don't have any evidence attached, any notes they want to add, as well as our comment that I just added. And these are the two issues that were auto-created based on the related certification. So with controls like these, you can track progress, identify gaps, and avoid duplication when managing overlapping certifications. So now we're going to create evidence request tickets. The first one will be then we can select our deadline. And we're going to create. And then you can see our Kanban board that it's due date. Yes, for A1. A12 4.1. And then we can also put this under review. So now evidence for a 12.4.1 logging and monitoring. Now you can see I moved this over to in progress, and it's actually under review. And evidence attached is no, but we have Max Taylor as the assignee. We have a due date of February 28th. And next I'm going to attach a blank document. And so then I'll mark evidence as attached. And then move it to approved. And so now you can see this one's done. All right, now we're going to create another evidence request ticket. Due date here, 26th of December. And I'll assign it to Kevin. Great. And now this one's in evidence. You see this one moved automatically to in progress. That is due to the fact that it was assigned. So as soon as you assign a evidence request ticket, it moves it to in progress based on the automation. Evidence requests are tracked separately from the control, ensuring timely submission and clear accountability for compliance tasks. Now we're going to create an audit task. And I'm just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to assign this. And we're not going to know the dates quite yet, so we'll put the start date as December 2nd. We'll leave the end date open. I'm going to want to add a note to this to let people know. So reading up. Save that. And then now we're going to create some subtasks. So one will be collect system event tickets, verify employee, training records, and conduct mock audit. Going to each one individually. We want to add a description because we want to make sure we are collecting the correct event. Oops, I put ticket, I meant logs. And save that. And we would assign it to the IT manager. So we'll just put it to Jennifer Evans. And you can click back to the parent and see the verify employee training records. And what we want to do with that is review the training completion rates for the past year to ensure compliance. Save that. And then we want to assign that to your HR manager. So that's Emma Paris. And let's go back to our parent again. And then we'll go to our last one, the conduct mock audit. And we want to simulate an external audit to identify gaps and test readiness. Save that. And then you will want to assign that to your compliance manager. And so within that, you can see there is this prepare for ISO 2701. You can see this little tick on here, and that really tells you that there is a subtask under it. So we'll go into our parent here, and then we'll go into our child, this collect system log events, and you'll see that it's in progress already. The reason that is because we assigned it when we created it, so it automatically puts it to in progress. And so we have an automation in this project that allows us to, anytime it's assigned, we automatically put it to in progress. So we're going to get into integrating Jira with Confluence. So we're going to open up the certification documentation. So Confluence complements Jira by organizing documentation in one place. If we go over to control mappings, and here you can see a live mapping of controls across certifications with direct links to, we have show controls, and then this page basically maps individual controls across the ISO 27001, 27701, and the other certifications. But I wanted to walk through that process here. What we're going to do is go down here, edit the page, and do a quick key, which is the /, which allows us access to all of the macros that are under this plus key. I'm just going to type in Jira, and I'm going to do Jira issues, and I'm going to do, so we'll search for that. And you can see we got two issues. And what we're going to do is insert the issues. And then you'll see, if we open it up all the way, it shows you all the data. And this is within Confluence. It's the live data that's from Jira, hosting right in here. You can see has assignees, it has the priorities, what the status is, when it was last updated. So I'm still in edit mode here. You can see there's this little configure columns here. You can select that, and then you can actually select different fields that you want to see on this. You want to see the related certifications. So you can select that. And then you'll see that this one doesn't have any right now, and then this one does, because this one is actually evidence requests versus a actual control. It offers a real-time snapshot of your compliance activities, so you can just hit date, changes anything, it'll all show up right here for you. To recap, the system centralizes compliance management, automates repetitive tasks, and integrates seamlessly with Confluence to improve visibility and collaboration. Thanks for joining today's demo. The solution is adaptable to various certifications, organizational needs. Let us know if we can assist further. Thank you for watching.